Could this be blood? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Ella Mason-Burke and I'm a senior lecturer here at USW, and today I'm going to show you how we do the presumptive testing of blood. First of all, we look at our item and we see whether we have any body fluid staining on there, whether there might be any blood present. After that, we take a filter paper, we fold this filter paper to make a nice point, and then we gently scrape the surface of the item where we think there might be blood. After this, we add something known as the Castle-Meyer reagent. So this is the main test of what we're working with. At the moment, you'll see that reagent is colourless, and when I add it to the potential blood, it should remain colourless for now. Once I add hydrogen peroxide, this reacts with the haemoglobin in the blood and should create a colour change if there is blood present. So this is telling me that there is potentially blood on this item, and I say potentially because this is only a presumptive test. Okay, so now that we believe that this might be blood, I would take a swab of the blood that we have here on the item and send it off to the DNA lab for DNA profiling to work out who this blood belongs to.